Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are here. So I have a fun video today because I'm going to do different DIYs with Dominoes. And not a pizza, but these, the game. So I'm going to show you what I got for the first project. So for the first project I got my strong glue, some of the dominoes and a vase. And my idea is to put them on here in a fun pattern. And I'm just going to try some things out till I like it. For the second project I am using my hot glue and of course dominoes, and these are so cool because there's a little dragon on the back side, and I thought I could mix it up with a curtain ring, and I only have a whole bag full of it, so I can use it. And I was thinking about making some kind of art thing with it. And I have specifically this ring because it's not rounded, so it will stick on there very nicely, I think. So I'm just going to play around and see what I come up with. So this is how it looks like, and it's so super light, and I like this side better, but you can also choose this side. And the next step that I'm going to do is paint it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am really impressed with the outcome, so I really hope you liked it too. And if you did, please push the like button. And if you want to see more, you can subscribe to my channel and become a member of this DIY family. And I will see you next time. So I got this face vase. Oh god, niet hier.